So today we are going to unbox my first wallet. Before that, I never had a wallet in my life. I am 20 almost next month. So as you can see, I already tried to check it out a little bit, but not the original box. I just tried to make sure that okay, I am having my original item so far. So this is the tier box, nothing special. This is the basic details. As you can see, nothing else. That's a box from the Amazon. So again, today we are going to unbox the first wallet of my life. I almost spent nearly 1 or 2 hours try to find out the best for me for myself. So as you can see, here is the wallet. If you can see the little bit information out there. So okay, we are going to unbox it now. So let's try to unbox. Also, this is the tool I'm using right now. I couldn't find the other option, so I think this is doing the work. So nothing much to think about. So we are going to take it from this side, then this side. I hope I am visible to me. Oh fuck. Shit, man. Okay, not a big deal. So we are using a little bit codes to unlock. Again, here is the box. If I try to describe the box, decent quality. Here is the badging of that brand, and it is written premium handcrafted leather. So let's unbox and have a first look. Okay, there is a I don't know gel to make the moisture out of the box, and here is a card which is written happy if you are satisfied with your purchase. Okay, nothing special, just a thank you card. Here is the main item. Before we take it, let's move them forward. Let's see how it is. First wallet. Okay, decent, nice. Here is the wallet. I think this is Jai Bhagwan Ji. Here is I don't know what it is. It's kind of protection or something. Okay. Here is the wallet. It is the brand name H&F. You can see this is the wallet. I think I like it so much. Oh, let me see. There are compartment. Okay. Here is the compartment. Keep the change or something. Here is a dummy card. I can say. Let's see how. Yeah, okay. That's a dummy card. Genuine leather protection. This is the wallet. I was looking for a wallet which is slim and hold it kind of, because it is very easy to carry on. If you look at this place, this is okay. They having branding inside the wallet. This is the currency compartment where you can put the note in them. And this is, if you can see, not visible. If it is visible to camera. Here is one card slot, two card slot, three card slot, four card slot. We have four card slots. There is a place as well where you can put the coins, I think. Okay, both sides you can put the coins. And yeah, that's right. If I try to explain overall, I think it's nice. The black good to me. That's a compartment. There's two cards. Cards again. Little bit important. Space for this. Yeah, I don't got this cut here or something, but I think when you're keeping here the cash, there is no way the cash coming out from that side. Yeah, that's fine. Here is the wallet. I am enjoying it. I think I am going to use it as my first wallet. So yeah, I think that's for the video. Enjoy yourself, enjoy myself as well, enjoying myself as well.